Hello everyone, this is Ambuj Dixit and today we are going to see case tools lab experiments. So a little bit of review about it. So first of all, let me tell you something about this case tools lab. Here we are going to see about few of the tools which you can use to develop or represent softwares in a lucid way or in an easier way so that you do not have to judge the whole code. You can just see that use these tools and represent the whole program without any lag or issue. So these are the 10 tools which we are going to use to assess a software or project. So the first one is the use case diagram, the next is class diagram, sequence diagram, collaboration diagram, state chart, activity, component, deployment, and the next one will be forward and reverse engineering, which we will be talking about future videos. So first of all, these are the topics which are to be covered. So I'll be choosing here recruitment system as my topic, and I'll be implementing these over all these tools in each video, which we can understand how can I make a recruitment system program, yeah, and represent it using these diagrams. So I'm not gonna code. I'm just gonna show you how can I represent all how can I use all these tools to make this program. So first of all, let us go to the star UML software. So this is the software which is used to make these uh, diagrams. So as you can see, this is the system. So this system consists of all the use cases. As you can see, use cases are just a process between two users. So this is a user, and this is a use case. So as you can perceive, according to our system, that is a recruitment system. So recruitment system will require an HR interviewer and a normal interviewer or technical interviewer to assess the students. So in this system, we can have 5 users according to my model, and use case diagram will help us to understand and interpret our program. So as you can see, student application, and you can have on-campus interview, off-campus interview. So either it can be an on-campus or an off-campus interview. Everything can be taken by an HR interviewer. Now, a general applicant and placement coordinators. So whenever you can see in a college, a company comes in, they will be having their team, and in the college they will be having placement coordinators which will coordinate among the students and the general applicants for them to apply and get job through this college. So general applicant means people those who have come from outside. Student applicant means those who are inside the college. Now, on campus and off campus. Even our students can go off campus and give the interview to these guys. Now, let us go and check out the cases. So, every general applicant has to provide a resume, and all the time there will be rounds of interviews. So, round 1, round 2, round 3 will be technical, group discussion, and personal interview. So these are the rounds which a student has to apply for. That is why you can see all these users. This user has been connected to all these use cases, and the placement coordinator will take care of the on-campus interview and the training student part. Now, the interviewer user will check the qualification, will check the resume, check the eligibility, and interview the applicants. And as you can see, resume includes check qualification. As includes is means it's a subset of this thing. So check eligibility and check qualification are all judged through the user application's resume. So as you can see, user application, its resume. Interviewer, it will check its qualifications and it checks its eligibility. So this is the flow of logic going on here in this diagram. And as you can see, the HR interviewer will just check the observer, will be the observer of the students, and will take the final decisions. So see, HR interviewer can't decide what people to take all on itself. It will be dependent on its couple, that is interviewer. Now, HR interviewer, if says no, we don't want a person, then definitely the person is not gonna come. But if he says that a person is gonna come, that doesn't entirely mean that he's 100% sure that the student is gonna get job. Interviewer might also say no. which can cause the applicant to lose his job. So this system has a consecutive flow of logic over here. As you can see, both are decoupled and each decision is independent. So let us go to check out a bit of theory about this diagram. So this was all about it. So as you can see, I've defined already actor, a use case, association. Association means a connection between the actor and the use case. So this is what a use case diagram and use case tool is all about. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next case diagram, and that is our class diagram. Thank you very much for watching.